Assalamu alaikum grade 1, how are you? I hope you're happy and safe. Today we will start with a new chapter. It's two-digit addition and subtraction. Through this chapter, we are going to learn how to add and subtract two-digit numbers. Before we start the first lesson, let's practice these questions. Write how many tens and ones. Question number 1. Let's see how many tens do we have here, grade 1. This group of cubes have 10 cubes. So we have 1 10, 2 tens, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We have 6 tens. Interesting. How many ones? 1, 2, 3, and 4. We have 4 ones. So what's the number, grade 1? We have 6 tens and 4 ones. So 6 tens and 4 ones. So the number is 64. So easy, right? Let's solve another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 tens. How many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We have 6 ones. So easy. So what's the number? It's just to write these numbers beside each other. So 86. The number is 86. This is the tens digit and this is the ones digit. Now it's your turn in grade 1, so please try to solve these problems by yourself, and then when you finish, you can check them here. The first lesson in this chapter is add tens. Throughout this lesson, we are going to learn how to add tens. Listen the story, grade 1. A family buys 30 pieces of firewood. How many pieces, grade 1? 30 pieces. How can we model this number using rods? What do you think? How many rods do we need to model 30 pieces? Each rod represents 1 10. In 30, we have 3 tens. So we need 3 rods. 1, 2, and 3. 3 rods. Let's complete the study. Then they buy 20 more pieces. So interesting. They need more, so they buy 20 more pieces. Now, how many rods do we need to model number 20, grade 1? Yes, of course, we need 2 rods. These rods model or show number 30. And these rods show number 20. Here we have 3 rods or 3 tens. 3 tens. And we have more 2 tens. Here we have 2 tens. So 3 tens plus 4 tens equals 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 tens. Now, 3 tens, the value of 3 tens is 30. The value of 3 tens is 30. So 30 plus, what's the value of 2 tens? Yes, it's 20. It's just to write this digit and add 0 for tens. So it's 20. Now 30 plus 20 equals 50. So the value of 5 tens equals 50. The same idea, write the same digit and add 0 for tens. So the value of 5 tens equals 50. So please, grade 1, be sure to draw these rods in your book and fill these blanks. Now let's solve the first example in your book. Find 20 plus 20. These 2 rods model number 20, and these 2 rods show again the other number 20. In number 20, we have 2 tens. Always, when someone asks you for how many tens, look at this digit. the digit of tens, the tens digit. Since we have 2, since this digit is 2, so we have 2 tens. The same for this one, it's the same number, so we have the same number of tens and 20. Again, this digit is 2, so we have 2 tens. So 2 tens plus 2 tens equals 4 tens. The value of 2 tens is 20 plus 20 for the other 2 tens. Again, when we write the value, we write the same digit, and instead of tens, we write 0. So the value is 20 plus 20 equals 40. So the value of 4 tens is 40. The same idea, write the same number here, which is 4, and instead of tens, add 0. So it's 40. Let's solve this question number 1. Here we have 4 tens plus 2 tens. 4 tens plus 2 tens equals 6 tens. Now the value 4 tens is 40 and 2 tens is 20. So 40 plus 20 is 60. Question number 2. 6 tens plus 1 ten equals 7 tens. The value of 7 tens is 70, or 60 plus 10 equals 70. Now it's your turn in grade 1, so please try to solve these questions by yourself, and then when you finish, you can check your answers here. The same for the next page, you can check your answers here. The next 2 pages are your homework grade 1, so please try to solve them by yourself, and then when you finish, you can check your answers here. It's the end of grade 1. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.